Shut off power at the circuit breaker or fuse panel before removing the old fixture or installing a new one. Remove the 3 post caps, diffuser, and decorative ring and set aside. Attach the mounting bracket to the electrical box with the 2 box screws. Connect the junction box ground wire, green or copper, with the fixture ground wire using a wire nut. Connect the black supply lead to the black fixture wire, and the white supply lead to the white fixture wire using wire nuts. Push excess wire up into the junction box. Lift the fixture up to the ceiling, carefully guiding the threaded tube into the center hole of the fixture pan. Secure the fixture to the electrical box by tightening down the cap nut and washer on the threaded tube. Do not over-tighten. Align the 3 holes in the diffuser ring with the 3 posts on the fixture pan. Secure the diffuser and ring with the post caps. Restore power to the electrical box to make sure the fixture is working properly.